Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We planted this one this time last year. This is Delphinium Morning Lights. And Delphinium Morning Lights is a stunning delphinium. Flowers from June, just now starting, and will finish around the end of September. Provided we keep deadheading, keep feeding with flower max, this plant will keep flowering away. Lots more flower spikes out this side as well. So we've plenty of colour to look forward to on this plant. Now this is the time of year to plant Delphinium Morning Lights if you want a lovely delphinium like this in your garden for years and years to come. It dies down for winter and comes back year after year. Now to plant it, decent sized planting, hold a little bit of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, swell well compost and soil on top of that, and the same bank in around, and this fantastic delphinium will reward you with fantastic colour and height in your garden for years and years to come. Don't forget to use the floppies. Have a look in here. This is a floppy pin. You'll see them in the web shop. These are long pin floppies to just sit around the stem, make sure it doesn't blow over in wind. And we were sitting in here beside a gorgeous, on an obelisk, Nelly Moser clematis flowers, late spring and early summer, and late summer and autumn. Well worth planting together, or even just find a wall, fence or arch to grow the clematis on. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.